Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's official, the final early nBadge window is live. This is your last chance to claim your early nBadge before the IOPn Testnet begins. And here is why this matters. Your badge isn't just a symbol, it's your access key to what is next in the IOPn ecosystem. So to get started, you need to click on this get started, then you proceed to type in your email. And remember, you have just 48 hours to claim this. So I'll just proceed to type in my email. Once I'm done typing my email, I will click on create account. Then I'll proceed to click on this create account. Then I'll allow it to load. My account is actually creating. Then the next thing you need to do is to connect your X account, that is your Twitter. Then I'll proceed to click on connect to X. Then I will click on authorize app. You click on authorize app to connect your X account. So it's actually authorizing. Then the next thing you need to do, your account is actually authorized. The next thing you need to do is to connect your Telegram account. So you click on this open Telegram bot. Then let me proceed to click on it. Open Telegram bot, yes. And once it opens, either you click on start bot. If you're using your PC, you click on open in web. So but if you're using phone, just click on start, then proceed, then click on join channel. Then once you join the channel, come back here and proceed to this website again. Then when you come back to the website, you'll be asked to connect your Discord. Then click on connect Discord. Then scroll down, authorize again. You will click on authorize to authorize your Discord account. Then is authorizing. After authorization, then you see join Discord server. So click on join Discord server. Once you are joined, you click on accept invite. Accepting invite, opening Discord. Then once you join the Discord, make sure you verify and so you can have access to other Discord. Then click on this to get verified. Then you click on roles, get roles, then activate these roles so you can be getting notification whenever they post any news. So once you are done with this, come back to the site, click on try connecting again, this place. Yes, click on try connecting again. Once you click on it, it will redirect you to authorize, and scroll down to authorize. Then you can see claim your badge. If you proceed to claim your badge, congratulations, you have earned your IOPn early badge, early N badge. So you proceed to share it to your ex, then post. That is it. Then you come back to the site again. You can just view your dashboard. View dashboard just to see how your dashboard looks. Then you can see your referral. You can share your referral to your friends, invite people to claim their badge so that they can also prepare for the testnet. Then if you wish, you can actually proceed to share your stats. That is this place. You can proceed to share your stats. It's just left for you. I'm officially an IOPn early adopter. If this guide actually helped you, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe for more crypto tips like this. Bye!